The first case of herbicide resistance in Arizona has been documented. Bill McCluskey, the U of A weed specialist, has confirmed the resistance of Palmer amaranth to glyphosate. A series of greenhouse tests were conducted in Tucson with seed that was collected in cotton fields in the Buckeye area where pest control advisors became concerned. This resistance was confirmed in Palmer amaranth, which is the most common pigweed species in that region. Pigweeds are some of the most common summer annual broadleaf weeds in the low deserts. Although they are often lumped together, there are 4 different species of pigweed that are common here and more than 10 species that occur as weeds in California and Arizona. Their growth habits and response to herbicides are similar. It is easy to identify them by physical characteristics, but one species of pigweed can hybridize with another and become less distinguishable. Most common is Palmer's amaranth. It's very aggressive and fast-growing and becomes 6 feet tall or higher if uncontrolled. It has one thick stem and several lateral branches. The leaves are lance-shaped, hairless, and have distinctive white veins on the underside. It has flowering tassels that become stiff and spiny. This species has become resistant to glyphosate in many parts of the country. Next would be redroot pigweed. It's probably the second most common pigweed species. It's shorter and the seed heads are smaller in clusters and have stiff spine-like scales. It has leaf hairs on the margins and the veins are often reddish. The lower stems are often reddish as well. This species will hybridize with Palmer amaranth and become less distinguishable. Tumble pigweed is very different from Palmer's amaranth or redroot pigweed. It grows lower to the ground and has many branches that turn upright. The leaves are much smaller and narrower. The numerous stems are light green rather than red. The seed heads are small, spiny at the base of the leaves rather than in long terminal spikes. When mature, the branches are sticky, stiff bristles, and they break off at the ground and tumble with the wind. Last would be prostrate pigweed. It's very similar to tumble pigweed, but the stems are more prostrate. They grow close to the ground and form mats. The stems and leaves are smaller and reddish rather than light green. Thank you very much.